What I was going to show you today, guys, is my electric cutout. It's just a Badlands setup, waterproof, dustproof, all that good stuff. Haven't had no issues out of it. Just had it all welded in recently. This heat wrap is for absolutely nothing more than to hide the ugly weld about right there. Sorry shop I took it to, can't listen. Told him to move the O2 sensor bung back there. Still in the same original spot, so got to get that fixed. But the cutout itself is awesome. Nothing better than being able to raise hell and shut it off with the push of a button. Let's see what it sounds like. Here we are closed.